This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Robbie Harville. Come and see this spacious 4-bedroom 2-bathroom 2-car garage home on a quiet street in Sebring Country Estates. Split floor plan with in-house laundry, an open kitchen and formal dining room. Master bathroom has his and her sinks and a walk-in closet with plenty of space. The home has a new shingle roof replaced in 2020. Sellers have also upgraded the interior and exterior light fixtures. The exterior lights are equipped with motion detection sensors. Bathrooms have been updated with new toilets and faucets. The backyard has beautiful landscaping with an open gazebo perfect for summer barbecues. Per the sellers, the septic was last pumped in March of this year. Neighborhood is minutes from restaurants, shopping, schools and medical